Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can lower your ping in Fortnite or Valorant by using DNS Jumper. Just open up your browser and let's search for DNS Jumper. After that, go to the first site. Here, just hit on download and save it. Wait for it to download. After that, open the zip, go to the folder and install the dnsjumper.exe. After installing it, just go to the fastest DNS on the left side and hit start DNS test. It's gonna test all the DNS, public DNS available, and it's gonna tell you which one is the fastest. When you hear the confirmation ring, as you can see, the US Norton Connect is the fastest for me. Hit on apply DNS server. You'll hear a beep that confirms that you have applied it. Just to be sure, apply it again here and just close this up. You don't have to run it in the background. And that's how you get fast and lower ping. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace out.